Good day, everyone. I am Ellen May Pagayon from BSECE 3A1, and today I am going to show you how to download, install, and set up the Arduino IDE, and then we'll test it using the Blink program. So, first, we have to download the Arduino application. So, the first step is to open your web browser and then search for the official website of Arduino, which is arduino.cc. So now, we can see on the screen the homepage of the Arduino website. And then at the top of the page, we can see the product. So let us click this. After that, we can see two sections, which are the hardware and the software. So under the software section, we have to click the Arduino IDE since this is the app that we need. Then, after clicking the Arduino IDE, we can see the latest version of the Arduino, which is Arduino IDE 2.3.7. And this is the version that we will use to program our Arduino Uno R3. Next, we can see here download, and under this button, we can see choices. So we can see here the different versions that we can download. So from here, I'll just choose Windows 10 or newer 64-bit since this is the one that's suitable for my laptop. Then, let's just click download and wait for it to finish. So after the download is done, let us now open the installer file. Shown on screen is the Arduino IDE Setup License Agreement. Let's just click I agree to accept the terms. Next. And then here, the destination folder is shown and I don't want to change it, so let's just click install. And we'll just wait for it to finish. So while it's installing, sometimes Windows might ask permission to install the Arduino USB driver, and when that pops up, let's just click install because this driver is needed for the computer to detect the Arduino board. So it says here that our installation is already complete. So let's just click finish to run our Arduino IDE. So the next thing that we need to do is to connect our Arduino Uno R3 to the computer using our USB cable. And now we have to open our Arduino IDE. So our Arduino IDE is already open. And after that, let's go to Tools and click Board. And select Arduino Uno. Now, let's set the port. Let us go to Tools, click Port, and then choose the COM that appears, which is COM4 Arduino Uno. And now, to make sure that everything is working, let's try the Blink sample program. So let's go to File, Examples. Here is the built-in examples, and I want to try the Blink sample program. So here from 0.1 basics, let's just click the Blink. So after that, the Blink code opens, and let's just click Upload. Then we'll wait a few seconds, and after that, we should see that the built-in LED on the Arduino board is blinking. And once that it's blinking, that means everything is set up and working properly. So as you can see, it's already blinking. So that means that our Arduino is set up and working already. And that is how you download, install, and set up the Arduino IDE on Windows and test it using the Blink program. So now, let us create a simple Arduino program and breadboard circuit that will perform the following function. So if the switch is not pressed, the two LEDs must be both turned off. While task switch number 1 is being pressed down, the two LEDs will blink alternately. Only one LED will blink at a single time. While task switch number 2 is being pressed down, the two LEDs will blink together and two LEDs will blink simultaneously. So let us now create the circuit that will demonstrate that program. So now, I will demonstrate the Arduino program and circuit behavior using two task switches and two LEDs. I will show the coding process, how to upload the code, and then demonstrate the actual working circuit. So I will now explain the program logic. So first, what you can see on the screen right now is the Arduino code that controls the behavior of the LEDs based on the switches. If no switch is pressed, both LEDs will remain turned off. When task switch 1 is pressed, the two LEDs will blink alternately. This means that only one LED is on at a time, while the other one is off, and they keep switching. Then, when task switch 2 is pressed, the two LEDs will blink together. So in this case, both LEDs turn on and off at the same time or simultaneously. Now, let me explain to you how the code works. This Arduino program controls two LEDs and two task switches. The LEDs are connected to pins 8 and 9, while the switches are connected to pins 2 and 3. The switches use input pull up, which means they are active low, so the switch reads low when pressed. When no switch is pressed, both LEDs remain off. When task switch 1 is pressed, the LEDs blink alternately, meaning only one LED is on at a time. When task switch 2 is pressed, both LEDs blink together at the same time. So, to upload the code, once the code is ready, let's upload it to the Arduino board. So first, let us make sure that the correct board and port are selected under the Tools menu. So, Arduino Uno and port COM4. Then, click the Upload button. Now we'll just wait for the upload to finish. And once the upload is successful, the code is now running on the Arduino board. Now, let me demonstrate to you the actual functioning of the circuit. So first, as you can see, no switch is pressed and both the LEDs are turned off. Next, I press task switch 1. As you can see, the two LEDs are blinking alternately, meaning only one LED is on at a time. Now, I release switch 1 and press task switch 2. This time, the two LEDs are blinking together simultaneously. And this shows that the program in the circuit are working correctly based on the switch inputs. So that is how the Arduino program works using two task switches and two LEDs, and we are able to control the LED behavior by changing how the switches are pressed.